everyone, welcome back to the Auto Mags Pro. Today, gearheads and BMW enthusiasts, today we've got something truly special, the all-new 2025 BMW M5. It's bolder, faster, and packed with cutting-edge tech that keeps the //M legacy alive. So buckle up as we dive deep into what makes this beast one of the most exciting sports sedans of the year. Let's talk about the heart of the M5. Under the hood, BMW has taken things up a notch with a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8, now paired with a plug-in hybrid system. This means the 2025 M5 delivers an earth-shattering 718 horsepower and 738 lb-ft of torque. Yes, you heard that right. This setup launches the M5 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, making it the fastest M5 to date. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system ensures that all this power is put to good use, with the ability to switch to a rear-wheel drive mode for some sideways action. Plus, thanks to the hybrid assist, the M5 now offers a short electric-only range for quiet, efficient city driving. BMW didn't just focus on performance, the 2025 M5 looks as aggressive as it drives. Up front, we have a redesigned kidney grille that's sleeker and more refined than its predecessors, complemented by sharper laser headlights. The widened stance, muscular lines, and sculpted aerodynamics make it clear, this is a serious machine. The rear features quad exhausts, a new diffuser, and an integrated lip spoiler, all adding to its menacing look. And let's not forget the lightweight forged wheels, wrapped in high-performance rubber to keep you glued to the road. Step inside, and you're greeted with BMW's latest curved display, a massive digital screen combining a 12.3-inch driver's display and a 14.9-inch infotainment system. It runs on the latest xDrive 8.5, which features improved voice controls, gesture commands, and seamless smartphone integration. Of course, the M5 stays true to its roots with a driver-focused cockpit, M-specific sport seats with Alcantara and carbon fiber accents, and a flat-bottomed steering wheel that feels just right in your hands. And for those long drives, BMW's adaptive suspension and refined cabin materials make this a luxury experience, until you hit the gas pedal. So, why should you consider the 2025 M5? Well, it offers the perfect blend of supercar performance, daily usability, and cutting-edge hybrid tech. You get the raw thrill of a twin-turbo V8, the added boost of electrification, and the legendary M handling, all in a practical four-door package. And let's not forget, BMW is embracing electrification without sacrificing the essence of the M brand. This means more power, improved efficiency, and an even sharper driving experience. The 2025 BMW M5 proves that the future of performance cars is electrifying, literally. It's still the ultimate sports sedan, but now with more brains to match its brawn. What do you think of the new M5? Is this the future of the M lineup done right? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more automotive content. Until next time, keep driving.